Hi, I'm Theresa Finnegan with Organized Living. One of the things I love most about our kitchen organizing items is they can be used for more than just the kitchen. Organize your holidays with these quick tips. The Organized Living Small Basket is great for keeping track of small presents like gift cards. Corral them together and keep them from getting lost in wrap and ribbons. Don't get buried under extra holiday platters and serving pieces. Use this kitchen divider to file your larger serving pieces and keep them at your fingertips. The wrap organizer keeps gift wrap tidy. It's not just for foil and plastic wrap. Simply place wrapping paper rolls in this organizer and the perfect paper will be at arm's reach each time you need it. Stack festive paper plates and napkins on a kitchen cabinet corner shelf. They'll stay tidy and save space in your cabinets. Also great for starting off your holiday buffet line. No need to get your tinsel in a tangle this holiday season. Visit organizedliving.com for great organizing tips and more products and solutions like these.